Hey guys, so for this project, I decided to learn Python because that's a really commonly used coding language. It's easily accessible to beginners, and because of its popularity, I'm going to be studying computer science in college, and I'm probably going to end up using Python. I wanted to have some introduction to it beforehand. So I use this website called Replit. You can see in the top left corner. Basically what that is there are coding exercises where you're mini labs essentially. They give you instructions and you write the code in Python, and they have these lessons essentially like written out where they teach you various methods or various techniques to use. So I decided to rewrite one of the older projects we had done. This is way back from the first quarter, the Vigenere project. So I did that in Python. And essentially what that is it takes in an input and creates a cipher for that. It takes in two inputs actually. It takes in the keyword, which is used to create the cipher, and the text, which is what's actually encoded. So for this, I was planning on having, in Python, there are these things called functions. So this would be a function um, from here to till here. They're pretty similar to methods in Java. It's essentially just an organized block of code. I was planning on having two, but I encountered some difficulty when running that. So I have this one, which is the actual encoding, and then I have this, which isn't part of a function, but was essentially my main method. I just removed it from the function so I could run it easier. So essentially what this does is it takes an input, which is a keyword, and then this for loop here is used to make sure that the keyword is only letters, not numbers or special characters. Then if that's true, then it takes in another input for the keyword and then calls the encode function, starts this up here. And then here, essentially what this does is it goes through the keyword and creates a cipher. And for each letter in the text, the word that you're actually encoding, it uses the corresponding letter from the keyword, the cipher created by that, to change the letter and encode that. So that's essentially what the gist of all of this is. So this loops through the entire text, and then this for loop here, and then you'll see I also have a while loop that skips any numbers or special characters in the text because we're not going to be altering those. Um, but then otherwise, other than that, it's fairly straightforward. So you'll see if I run it, um, it'll ask me for input a keyword first, so I'll just stay simple and go A, B, C, D, and then because that's all letters, that's accepted, and then I enter in the text that I want to have encoded. So I'll just go with my name, and you'll see that that produces the result of an encoded word based off of the keyword, and it encodes the text I inputted.